Hello again, everybody, and to someone that is looking for a job. The job description for this is office building maintenance or cleaning. So the work area for this would be in Yokohama in Kanagawa, and there is also in Ushiku city in Ibaraki. So we need 3 to 5 people for this, and this is a full-time employment. So the working hours for this will be shifting, and the salary will be 200,000 yen, and there will be a bonus also for this job. This is scheduled for interview tomorrow at our main office in Tokyo at Kanda Station. This is scheduled February 15 tomorrow. So if you are willing to apply for this job, again, this is an office building maintenance or cleaning, and the company has in Yokohama in Kanagawa and in Ushiku city in Ibaraki. So if you are willing to apply for this job, please comment down below, or you can also call our office number at 036-206-8058. Sa mga kababayan ko po na nandito sa Japan at naghahanap po ng trabaho, ito po isang building cleaning maintenance, building cleaning kailangan po namin ng 3 to 5 tao dito. So sa gusto po mag-apply, pwede po kayong pumunta sa office namin or just comment down below. And for everyone, we conduct everyday job fair and job interview in our main office from Monday to Sunday. So if you are first timer here, you have to come at our office at 12 o'clock every day. And for someone that is far from our office, you can also request for online interview. We also have online interview packages, so just let us know. Thank you.